Watch this video to learn all about the best indoor plants that you can place into your home. Right now, according to Feng Shui, the money tree. The Pachira aquatica is known for its really large, vibrant leaves. The money tree not only absorbs toxins in the air, but can also become a really beautiful statement piece. The Crassula ovata are also known as the money plant. Feng Shui loves this plant because it's believed to attract wealth due to its coin-shaped nature of its leaves. The beloved pothos plant, it's super adaptable, and the minimum maintenance makes it a really great house plant. For a beginner, the heart-shaped philodendron scandens. The philodendron heartleaf is an air-purifying, vining plant that is easy to care for and has fun heart-shaped, glossy leaves. The white bird of paradise, Australitzia. Nikolai, be careful with the white bird of paradise, because it could grow massive in size, which is what Feng Shui loves. Follow for more interior design tips, and make sure you watch the rest of the videos in the Feng Shui series.